Hi guys, welcome to this session on Microsoft Outlook. In this module, I want to have a look at the search features. So first of all, at the top of the screen, you can see this search box, which is a quick search, and there you can see the key command if you want to use key commands to search. Now once you click into that box, you basically activate not only this with previous searches, but also the search tab. So on it you have various options that you can select. So for example, at the moment it's on current mailbox, and you can see there is nothing sitting in the mailbox at the moment, but all mailboxes, if you select that option, you can then pick all mailboxes that you might have. So I've got a few, you can see them there. You've got options for current folder if you've got a particular folder you want to search through, and subfolders, and then all Outlook items. So that would include um, appointments and tasks and things like that. So what I want to do is I'm going to click on migration and then click into search and current folder subfolders. See what happens there. So I'll type training in the search box, just training, and let's see what comes up. So straight away you've got a message with training highlighted, so it's picked up training. Now if I delete that, clear the search by clicking that little, no, in fact I won't click that because it'll get rid of the tab. So when you search, you've got the option to search from, so you can search by sender, subject. So if I click on subject, and I've already typed training in there, so let's get rid of these two actually. So I want training, subject training, and it's highlighted this email below. Get rid of that search. And then coming along again from that, you've got has attachments. Now this one hasn't got any attachments, but if I click into my inbox and do a search again and go for has attachments, you can see all these emails come up. And again, I'll get rid of that one. And next one along is has categories. So categories training, so that will flag up any files that have been flagged with the category training, which is red in mine. Close that one. Search again, and then sent to me, or not sent direct to me, sent to me, quite a lot of things. Get rid of that one. And then you've got unread, and there's no unread, which is good because I would have been worried if there was. Flagged, so we see what happens there. Is read, no. Follow up, flag, flag. So you adding these two on, so I need to take that one off. Otherwise you're just going to be looking up multiple things that might not be there, so I'll take that one off. And then more options, you can add form fields, recent searches, tools, advanced options, and you can close search. Now all the time I was doing that, you can see every time you click up the top here, this list drops down, which is your quick, which overwrites this. To be honest, it's going in, it's almost in the way. If I get rid of that, you've got a little arrow drop down there that gives you all of these options in a box, so you can set this up from scratch. So if I go all Outlook items, drop it down, attachments, yes, attachments contain training, let's try that one. I'll leave from, and you've got an option there for put a date in, received by, let's go for the 16th, subject training. Now there might not be none of these, let's just search for that. Didn't get any of that, so let's go back into that again and try it. Received just on the 19th, and subject training. Try that one. Here we go. So now we get a few different items. So there's an appointment and there's an email, 2 emails, same email actually. If I open the appointment, you can see the appointment is just a training appointment in Leeds, and there's the actual email about training. It's also categorized as training. So these are, and then you clear that one off and you're back to scratch. So quick list, toolbar options, or you do these advanced options. It's totally up to you which one you use. So what you put in here is a duplicate of what you've got underneath. I'll just click that, so I just need to cancel that off. I don't want sender's name. So the way Microsoft has set this up, it's basically forcing you almost to type in this top box first and use these options. So I'll go arrow to find search, find training, found all these training options, and then this is active. So you then filter it down by has attachments. They've all got attachments. Filter it again down by training. Now we're getting down a bit, and you can see it's adding them all up at the top there, and you can just close those off and then that will disappear. So basically that's just a quick look at Outlook search features. It's remembering all these different things underneath. These things are just repeated elsewhere. You've got them on the ribbon tab, you've got them here as well, and you've got the option from going into this drop down there, which is pre-setting up the search criteria, start date, end date, that sort of thing. But that's all I want to talk about in this little video, so hopefully that was of use to you, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for your time.